Welcome to the future of collaboration through AI. Introducing Newline Canvas, India's first Gen AI-based whiteboarding and annotation software. Discover how Newline Canvas revolutionizes education and productivity with AI. AI-powered handwriting recognition for seamless annotation and brainstorming. Experience the magic of AI solving complex equations and formulas effortlessly. Unlock creativity with AI recognizing shapes and images effortlessly. Recognition in 197 plus languages, including 10 plus Indian languages like Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, and more. Access a vast library of resources, 5,000 plus videos, 1,000 plus simulations, and more. Engage students with AI-driven interactive assessments and quizzes. Visualize mathematical concepts precisely with our graph plotting feature. Maximize productivity with screen splitting for simultaneous collaboration. From interactive periodic tables to customizable shapes, unleash creativity with AI tools. Collaborate across devices, Newline displays, and up to 4 Android devices. Seamlessly import images and videos. Integrate with Google and YouTube. Utilize Immersive Reader for enhanced accessibility. Foster brainstorming and organization with flowchart and mind mapping tools. Plan and share lessons with ease using our lesson planner. Connect with a community of educators for inspiration and collaboration. Elevate your whiteboarding and annotation experience with Newline Canvas. Embark on the future of collaboration. Join the revolution now.